Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher float mounting tube O-ring. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new float mounting tube O-ring. The float mounting tube O-ring seals the mounting tube where it comes through the tub. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and there's water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull out the lower rack. Once you have it out, you can just lift it off and set it aside. In order to get the part out, we have to take out all the sump and filter stuff. So we're just going to reach in and turn this filter, unlock it. Once you have it off, you can pull it out, set it aside. Then we're going to take the float out. All you have to do is lift it out. Now we have to take the metal filter out. We're going to reach in and unscrew these screws right here. They're holding the back. Then we can pull the filter out, set it aside. Make sure the little gray piece comes with it. Once you have that out, we're going to reach in with the 1/4" nut driver to take out the screws that holds in the little retainer plate that holds the float mounting tube in place. Once you have the screws out, we can reach in and pull the tube and the little white piece out. It'll all come out as one piece. And you can look on the bottom of the tube right here. If the O-ring is stuck on there, you can just pull it off. If it's not, you're going to have to reach down with a small flathead screwdriver and just get the O-ring out of the base right here. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old float mounting tube O-ring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new float mounting tube O-ring in, we're just going to put the O-ring on the base right here on this little lip. It'll make it easier to push down into the sump. Once you have it in place, just have to line up the piece here with the cutout, and then make sure you push the tube down in there so it seats properly. Once you have it in place, we can use the 1/4" nut driver to put in the screws to hold it in place. Now we can put the upper piece back in. All you have to do is, same as the white piece, just make sure you line it up with the notch right there and push it down into place. We can put the metal filter back on. Once you have the filter in place, we can put the screws back in on the back that hold it in. Now we can put the float back in. All you have to do is set it into place, and then we can put the fine filter back in. I'm just going to line it up and drop it down into the sump, and then turn it so it locks in place. Once you have everything put back together, we can put the lower dish rack back in. In order to put it back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.